This is a demonstration of the rate of disruptions tool. This is a rate of X tool, so it's going to count the rate per minute of physical, verbal, and external disruptions. A physical disruption is by the target student or students, and every time you click it adds 1 and starts the rate per minute calculation. Now that rate per minute number is going down because I'm not clicking. If I click 3 times rapidly, click, 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 the rate per minute jumps up and starts decreasing. So it's recalculating the rate per minute every second. Physical disruption, verbal disruption, and external disruption is something that the student's not the cause of, but it still acts as a disruption to the behavior. You would click that and you get the count and the percent. When you stop the timer, you have the rate per minute of physical, verbal, and external as well as total disruptions.